Hi guys, so we are starting JavaScript tutorial. So this section is about brief introduction about JavaScript and just give a overall picture of the web development. So like there are three building blocks for any web development: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So HTML is used to add structure to the web page, how web page look like. CSS is used to add style like coloring, color, border, and all this thing. And JavaScript add programming to the web page. So on browser, the script tag is there. Under we'll put our JavaScript code, and it will do the programming thing. And browser execute that JavaScript. So if you don't have any idea about HTML and CSS, just go through some videos and learn about that. HTML is very much required. CSS is okay, like you have little bit idea, that is enough. Okay, so in next section let's start the JavaScript tutorial. Thank you.